India's premier airport in Mumbai, the Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj International Airport, is developed, operated, modernized and managed by Mumbai International Airport Limited, a consortium led by GVK. It is located in the financial capital and a key gateway to the country, playing a crucial role in aiding the city retain its premier position and fast-paced growth. The Mumbai airport is known to be the busiest single runway airport in the world. On most days, this airport handles over 1,000 aircraft movements and approximately 140,000 passengers. This means there are 2 flights taking off or landing every 3 minutes. It integrates world-class design, architecture, infrastructure, and operational efficiency. Mumbai Airport has 2 cross runways, 0927, the main runway, and 1432, the secondary one, which intersect, making only one of the 2 runways operational at any given time. The amount of traffic entails a lot of wear and tear, and runway operations is a 24/7 responsibility. Runway payments are exposed to different stress as compared to other payments like air traffic movements, weather exposures, and oxidization of surfaces. Over time, the surface gradually begins to weaken and needs to be resurfaced. In order to ensure safer operations, it is essential to give it new life by milling and resurfacing with hot mix asphalt layers over the existing surface. The mammoth task to strengthen and resurface the super busy runways was entrusted to AIC Infrastructures Private Limited, Mumbai. AIC is focused on the field of infrastructure building and is specialized in construction and repairs of airfield pavements globally. It orchestrates projects with consistent quality and safety assurance with adherence to planned project timelines, all of this infused with the latest machineries and technologies. The experienced airport team executed this project with the best of quality and safety practices. Working closely with the airport engineering, airside operations, and security teams, the AIC engineering team planned the work meticulously to ensure that they hit the designated target of start and end date. This is the master control room at the asphalt plant setup at the airport premises. Everything was precision planned by the handpicked team of experienced engineers, skilled workers, and operators. The process of the production at the hot mix plant was done at this huge automated plant. During the process, the aggregates were heated in the insulated drum to ensure that the temperature of the mix was achieved. The aggregates were then separated and graded into different sizes by vibrating screens. The hot bitumen was fed up into the hopper via this feeding pipeline, and the lime went up here. All the raw ingredients were mixed thoroughly for a predefined period to ensure the mix was homogeneous. Finally, the hot mix was unloaded into tippers. Tippers were kept covered to ensure that the temperature of the mix was retained for a longer period. The finest hydrated lime was sourced and supply lines were feeding regular consignments. The plant site was equipped with a state-of-the-art laboratory, where all raw materials were pre-checked before being used. The highly experienced professionals designed the asphalt mix and ensured that the hot mix plant produced the same. Continuous pre- and post checks ensured that the mix to be laid on the runway was of designed and desired quality. All the environmental control procedures were followed and extra measures, unique to our global standards in India, were taken. A special water mist system comprising dust separators, separation sprayers and fog cannons was installed at the plant. Let us take a look at how this entire operation was carried out. Every second, every minute of final activity on site was planned to the minutest degree of perfection. It was a race against time every time the airport was closed for operation. Every day before the commencement of the work, a daily runway safety briefing was conducted by a safety officer on runway safe work procedure. $1,100. The last flight has taken off. Airside operation gives the flag off to enter the runway, and the action begins. In order to meet the topmost airport safety requirement, the execution team is an army of more than 600 people with specialized skills. A big fleet of latest heavy machineries and equipment are moving onto the runway through the designated runway entry point. A team cores and removes the existing AGL fitting and fills the void with a quick set concrete. Surveying machines determine the existing pavement levels to achieve design parameters. The high-powered milling machines start to mill the existing surface. Tons of mill material is disposed away from the runway simultaneously. The cleaners, bobcats and compressors follow the milling machines and clean the surface, making this a simultaneous sequencing job. After the cleaning, bitumen tack coat spray is applied on the surface by the automatic bitumen sprayer to improve the binding of the new asphalt premix. In no time, modern pavers equipped with high compaction screeds and automatic sensors leveling system begin laying asphalt over the surface. This echelon paving, with a fleet of pavers paving multiple lanes, is a rare sight to watch at any operational airport in India. Asphalt premix was designed jointly by MIAL and AIC as per the airfield specifications in order to provide strong wearing course to the runway. proper compaction of freshly laid asphalt is very essential. A fleet of tandem and pneumatic tire compactors begins the process till the compaction is achieved as desired. The surveyor then performs the final check on the level, and the QA/QC team tests the compaction of the hot mix asphalt. The asphalt temperatures are constantly monitored. The AGL lights are fixed back in place. The handing over process is initiated. This begins with a chicken parade to look for possible foreign object debris on the surface. Once the quality checks are done, the final marking of the runway is reinstated. As the signal is given, the entire fleet of machineries lines up immediately to vacate the runway. The runway is then handed over to the airside operations team for their final check well before the 1700 hours deadline. Every single minute counted. Hence, every operation was completed in an exactly predetermined time frame. The hallmarks of this resurfacing project at Mumbai International Airport were a superlative quality solution, impeccable safety practices, and flawless execution. It is a great testament to the professionalism and commitment of every single personnel involved that they were able to ensure the successful completion of such a crucial and prestigious project. Another feather in AIC Infrastructure's cap. Working in close coordination with Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj International Airport, MIAL, and GVK,